Hello to all of you. Time to unbox another item on the digital dock, and again this is a power strip power bar right in front of me. The company is same as I told you before, ATEM. Very good, I have liked them. The box sides, 4 sides, if you can come on the top and camera can show me. The top shows the power bar, opposite side back shows the code bar of the item, sides the model number, side free, side free, side free. Let's unbox it. Again, the beauty of these power bars, it's empty. The box, the power bar beauty. What is the beauty? If you can see, again, it's a flat end. This is flat, and on the sides I will show you power bar circuit with a USB-C flat plug extension cord with 6 AC outlets, and with 6 AC outlets, wall mount, 5 foot, 900 joules, and multi-plug outlet extender for the home, office, dorm room essentials. And the color is white, voltage is 240, and specific feature compact and maximum surge retaining 900 joules, 10-in-1 extension cord with multiple outlets, slim power bar. We will open it. You see the slim power bar with 6 AC surge protector outlets, 15 amperes, 1875 watts, 4, and provide ample space for the multiple devices and adapters to be plugged in simultaneously. It can charge your cell phone, laptop, tablets, cameras without any hurdle. And on the front, if you see 1 2 3 4, again quite lot of space, not giving obstruction to the other outlet. And then the short plugs, here also the short plugs, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 8 9 10 11 12. So 12 plugs. Again, if you can see, it's very less. It will take the very less space behind the sofas, behind the couches, behind the beds. The flat outer extension cord is much thinner than the traditional plugs. Flat power bar can close to the wall easily, hide the back of the furniture, bed, refrigerator, save every space for your home. 5-foot extension cord offers flexibility and allows you to easily reach the distant power outlets, making it ideal for the home, office, school, dorm room to use. And then easy to mount on the wall and the desk, mountable power strip with a unique screw fixation. Along with it, screws on the both ends. Here 1 2, and here 1 2 on this side, 3 4. Easy for the mounting on the walls, desk, furniture. Keep your desktop organized. Low profile extension cord also can be stabilized on your desktop. Nightstand without slipping off the flat extension cord, make it lighter than the ordinary power bar. Safety protection on off. Again, if you have a closer look on this, where the brand name is, there is a close on off switch. Power strip as a surge protection, 900 joules, overload protection, short circuit protection, overcurrent protection, short circuit protection to help keep your devices safe. On off switch can automatically shut off when the power exceeds rated value to protect your expensive devices like computers, TVs. ETL safely certified with extension cord and other major components certified by the UL. And the price of it is again $29.99, $30 if you are going on the lucky days like the Boxing days or the Black Fridays. You can get it as cheap as 25 or 26 bucks. You can save 5 to 6 bucks on this. Hopefully you have liked my unboxing. Till my next unboxing, take care.